Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Mythdhr account. So for those people who do not know what the full form of Mythdhr is, the full form of Mythdhr is My means my, T means the, H means home, D means depot, HR means human resource, which means my the Home Depot human resource login. So human resource means if you are a worker of the Home Depot, then you can log in into it. Alright, so let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, search for Mythdhr login. After you search for it, click on the first link. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this page. Now over here, you're in the official page of the Home Depot. Over here, scroll a bit down. And you can see current associate, former associate, which means if you are currently working for the Home Depot, you can click on the first option. If you're a retired worker, which means you left your work, then you want to click on former. And if you forgot the password of your account, you can click on forgot password to recover it as well. Alright. So let's say you're a current associate, which means you're working currently. You can click on current associate, log in into your account, and take advantage of the full feature of the Home Depot provided to its employee. Over here, you can choose store or other location. If you choose store, you need to enter your store number. If you choose other location, you need to enter the hashtag information of the other location. Alright. After enter the information, enter your user ID over here. After enter your user ID, enter the password of your account as well. After enter the password, click on login, and if all the information you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Mythdhr account. So that's how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.